What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I show you guys how to do rain effect here in Kinemaster. So guys, for this tutorial you just need to record your footage and nothing else. So click on this plus sign to add a new project, select the aspect ratio of the screen, then load your footage. And for this tutorial I'm using this footage right here. Alright, so for this project you see that the day I shot this video is daylight and everything is a little bit warm, and I want to add a rainy effect to this. So for the effect we are using, just go to layer, then overlay. Now I have already downloaded the rainy effect and you can download it yourself. Just go to get more, then come down to special effect down here. Now you see the raining day effect. Now you just download and install it, and that's all. Okay, now let's come back to the effect, and this is the raining effect. We have 4 different type of raining angle, this and this. Okay, for this effect I'm using this. Now you can increase this to the end of the shot like so. Alright, and when you play this you see that we have the raining and it's not looking right. Okay, there are some things you need to do for this to look better. Okay, now that's the first step, and now we need to make the effect look more better. And to do this, just click on layer again, go to overlay. Then I have already downloaded some lighting effects. Let me show you. Okay, this is the lighting effect. You can just go to get more and download it. So for this lighting effect I'm using this one right here. So as you can see, this is the lighting effect, and when you play this through you have the lighting effect right there. Okay, when you play this now you have the lighting effect. Okay, but it's not well placed and we only need the first strike of the lighting, so you need to just cut and trim that off. So when you play this we have only this. Okay, now you can just click on it, then come here, okay, something around here, just drag the effect, rotate it like so, then drag it here to the corner. So when you play this now you have something like this at the corner. Now you need to duplicate this. Just click on the effect, click on this option here, then select it, duplicate, then drag the other to the next like so. Now when you play this we have something like this. Okay, and this is really good. Okay, but still it still not look like the effect is working properly, so let's tweak the color. Now click on the footage, then come down to adjustment. Okay, now this is where the magic will happen. Just come down to temperature, then increase the temperature. So for this it's working like the invert side, so when you increase the temperature it comes down, and when you decrease it it goes up. So let me do this for you. When I increase this like this, now you have a warmer temperature as you can see. So when you decrease it you have a cool temperature, and when you have a cool temperature you know it's obviously raining, so you have a cool temperature. So you can increase this, so like so. So when you play this now we get a proper effect working nice, and it looks like it's really raining. Okay, now we need to add a few layers. Just click on this layer, click on the overlay, then we need to crop this. Well, instead of cropping this manually I'll just use that my effect I downloaded for this, for the cropping cinematic frame. Now I will choose this. Alright, then when I play it, let me just drag it to the end of the shot like so. So when I play this we have a nice effect, raining effect here in Kinemaster. And this is how to do it. So you can just export your footage, then choose the resolution you want and export it. And this is how to do this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.